Hey guys, this is Nathan, and this is Java 2 Week 1. And this week was kind of rough, I got really frustrated with a few things, but I'm not going to go into that too much. Um, my first project, I continued my weather app from last week, and you can see it down here. You'll see it in just a minute. So let me get into it for you guys. It's called Minimal Degrees. And so right here, it just says get your weather, your zip code below, and 85392. Get weather. Just a second. And there you go. So you can see as your degrees in Celsius, Fahrenheit. So this stuff right here, each one of these is actually a separate thing. This is a separate call from the, separate item from the array. That is, 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 and that is. So, a few things going on here, but it all works together well. So, that's how it is right there. And if I were to put into a different one, you'll see a change if the actual stuff is different. So there you go. Sunny is E5311. I don't know where that is. I think it's Arizona still. So the other stuff I've done with it though is I've made it where it'll work fully offline, like we were supposed to. So I'll flip it real quick. You'll see it gets that pop-up right there. So come on, flip back over. It's lagging on me. Okay. So no network connection detected. Please check your network again. If recent weather data is available, it will be displayed. And so you can see the most recent is displayed. And anytime I click the button, it will check for that data connection right there. I can close the app. This is with my data still off. Go on in. It'll say no network connection detected. And then since it cleared out the file, there's now no recent weather data found. And so it has a thing right there to make sure that it'll get that information, but it won't crash if it can't find it. So, and again, sorry, I didn't pull that down. Again, anytime it reloads that view, it will do it. Anytime you press a button, it will do it. So I'm kind of happy with that. Let me turn mobile data back on. And you can see that once it's on, 85392, it will work again. So, ta-da, that's my app. I try to make it look kind of nice, so hopefully I succeeded on that. How do I feel about services versus async task? I don't think I've really used either one long enough to really have an opinion on that yet. Seeing that we did async tasks for the first time last week, I believe, and we did services for the first time this week. So, give me some time and maybe I'll be able to get back to you on an answer for that. How does the lessons from the week affect your outlook on Java? It doesn't really change it. Still really like it. There's some things here and there, but I like Java. Just, don't get me started. What would I have done differently if I could? I would have rather had this in yesterday. I was needed at work, so it is what it is. But that's the main thing, because today's schedule's weird. List a few things that could use more clarification. The assignment itself, to be honest, based on what I read from the rubric, based on what I read from the assignment, I do believe I hit everything that was needed, but at the same time, it wasn't very clear. What was expected this week wasn't exactly clear. And I didn't ask a ton of questions on it, so that's on me. But I would like to see something kind of like what we've had in the past, a video at the beginning of the week or something that basically says, hey, this is what we're wanting you to do this week, you know, this is what this week is about. And we really didn't have that this time, and that was kind of odd. Other thing that could use clarification is singletons. They really don't make too much sense still. So to bring it to a close, I'll just kind of show you some of my code in here. And so for my network connection stuff, I changed that to a separate thing, check connection right here, and I actually changed it on the web thing so that every time it's ran, it automatically sets it to false, and then it goes in with the context, and that's why it's able to always check the connection. Here's my singleton, file saving, reading. Here's my service right here, and it's really similar code to what I had before to load from the API. It's just slightly different because of the message, stuff like that. And then right here's where I handle that. My I think it's in here. It actually saves it somewhere in here. Yeah, right here. So this is where it saves the file. This is where it reads from the file right here. And I have it to change visibilities of a bunch of stuff. So messed with that some. And that's my code for this week. Anyways, I hope this week went well for you guys, and hopefully next week will go well for me and for all of you. And thank you for watching my video. Have a great weekend.